What's up? It's Chef Finest Wine. Welcome to my channel. We are making homemade chicken soup. Cut up chicken breast and a lot of flavor. I hope you enjoy. Hit the subscribe button. What's up, everyone? It's Chef Finest Wine. Myself and my partner, Rolling Reviews, are excited to mention that we have an upcoming interview with Leola Brown on October 30th, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We plan to talk about it all. She also has an upcoming book coming out. Please make sure you check her out here on YouTube. Leola Brown. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let her know who sent you. Much love to everybody. October 30th. Be there, be square. We also will be interviewing Bernadette Stannis, Thelma from Good Times, on November 13th. So please stay tuned for that. She's a beautiful lady. That interview will be held on Rolling Reviews YouTube channel, ROLYNNS. Rochester Living for my apron. I'm rocking it today. Go check her out, you guys. First thing we're gonna need is Creole seasoning, okay? It could be any version, any brand, it does not matter. Creole seasoning. We're gonna season our chicken with this. These are just random chicken breasts that I have chopped up already. Black pepper, okay? Also going to use, these are like bouillon cubes, okay? I'll probably put about 2 of them in my soup. Set that to the side. We're gonna use this, Tony's Creole seasoning. It has no salt. Please make sure you add this to the recipe. Lemon pepper. This is another seasoning that we're going to use for this recipe, okay? Doesn't matter what brand. No MSG. Of course, we're going to use garlic powder. Also going to chop up some fresh garlic. I have chicken seasoning. It's chicken fajita seasoning, okay? I know y'all said, why chicken fajita? But guess what? You get an awesome flavor from it, okay? So you don't have to use chicken fajita, you use chicken seasoning. It's about the same, okay? This is another one we're going to use, barbecue seasoning. Little bit of the rib rub. Gives it just a good kick to it. Rib rub. I know you can find that in the store too. I'm literally going to use a pinch of salt, okay? Not much. And we are going to start seasoning our chicken. Before we start, you gotta have these style of soup. Okay, this is like, I'm gonna just show you guys the style of the pasta that we're gonna use for this soup, okay? And I got that from Trader Joe's. Let's start seasoning up our chicken. Also, Lastly, this is also what we have here. Bell peppers, chopped, onions. We have carrots. What else we got? We got celery. All of that in here. Make sure you have that, okay? And I'm gonna chop up some fresh garlic. So this is already ready to go. And we're gonna put that in our skillet in just a minute. Please, before you season your chicken, put olive oil on it. Coat it with olive oil. You want to make sure that your chicken also is not real wet. Little olive oil, lightly. That helps the seasoning stick. We're going in with Tony's. Go ahead and add your chicken. What inspired me to, why am I a foodie? Why am I a foodie? I always ask, why is everybody else a foodie? Why, well, not everybody else, I can't say that. Why are some people foodies? I can only explain my part of the story, okay? I'm a foodie because, like I said, when we were younger, it's like, I grew up with my cousins. My sister, my cousins, we grew up together, like the same house. So we just, man, we was bad. We was bad. We did a lot together. Like we were real brother and sisters. Now me and my sister, we always fought. You know what I'm saying? We always fought. Me and my brother, we fought a few times. But my cousins, we did so much together. And growing up, we sat at the dinner table. And my mom and my auntie, they was like, y'all all sit down around this large table. We gonna feed y'all. So at that age, I was probably real young, but I love me some food. I love me some good cooking, you know. That really inspired me to want to cook. That was one of the things that inspired me to want to cook. But it also turned me into a foodie. They made us sit down. They was like, they had menus written out for us. We got to choose off the menus and stuff. They made like breakfast. They made an entree of food for us for breakfast. So we got to choose from the menu, and then they made exactly what we wanted. It was like restaurant style. I never forgot that moment, you know. We had a lot of good moments growing up with my cousins. One of my cousins, like, I always kept him up under me like he was my little brother all the time. He and I were the closest out of any of me and my cousins. We were the closest. So he was like my little brother. We made money together. You know, there was a bicycle that I used to ride. I used to keep him like in the front of the bicycle while I'm driving the bicycle, if that makes sense. You know, man, we was some bad kids. We was bad. We was bad. But those are my cousins, and I love them. We're gonna turn this up a little bit. Turn that up a little bit. I'm gonna start adding my vegetables. We ain't finna be all day cooking this. Green peppers, onions, celery, carrots, Lots and lots of vegetables. As much as you want. All right, we're gonna add a little more olive oil. Then I'm gonna season it a little bit more, because when you add the vegetables, I feel like you should season it more. I like flavor. Season those vegetables. All right, we can add our chicken broth. How much am I going to add? I'm going to add about a cup and a half. Cover it with a top and let it cook.